3, 2, 1. Let's go racing. I got you. We'll go racing under the green flag. Out of turn number 4, Tyler Reif, Steve Brucker leading the parade to the 4th turn. Looking for the green flag. We are green and go at the Bullring. Cody Brown, the points leader, starts from the inside of row number 2. Pace car will race under the green flag off of corner number 4. Keep your eyes on the 9 car. As the RPMs come up, we are green once again at the Bullring. Brucker and Reif drag race to turn number 1. Reif's going to open up about 2 car lengths over the 88 car of Cody Brown. That's where Brucker will fall into his tire tracks. So the top 4 make it 5, separated by, about 8 car lengths. Trouble in turn 4, the 22 car around on the racetrack. Brings out caution for the second time here in this 25-lap feature for the Legends cars. The 11 of Tanner Ash in row number 3. Lights out on the South Point pace car. We race off of turn number 4 down the front stretch. Tyler Reif, Steve Brucker pull the field down the back straightaway, heading for turn number 3. Coming back to the starting line, it'll be Reif and Brucker. We'll race off of corner number 4. Green is out, green and go. Side-by-side action off of turn number 4, coming back to the stripe. The 9 car out in front of Steve Brucker. 10 laps complete, 15 laps to go for the Legends cars. We got a car around over in turn number 2. Keller Michidone stops on the racetrack just high of the racing groove. Tyler Reif continuing to set the pace. As the RPMs come up, we are green and go. Another car around over in turns 3 and 4. This is the 22 car. Gets back underway. 18 laps complete. We'll put 19 on the board this time by Reif, Brucker, Brown, the top 3. Ashton Williams looking inside of the 88 car. That is the battle for 3rd. Ashton has it heading into the 3rd turn. Brown battling back, coming up off the 4th corner to corner number 1, gives the 2 car a peek to the inside and then kind of slams the door on him, coming back to the line. Sean Salazar, the top 5. There's your RPMs coming up. Green is out, green and go. Spins over in turn number 2, brings out caution. Caution on the speedway with 3 laps to go. Reif, Steve Brucker, green is out. Green and go at the Bullring. Quick. Yellow is out for a spinning 68 car up in turns 3 and 4 with a vista such as this and racing off of corner number 4. Green, white checker. Steve Brucker running out of chances to get by the 9 car of Tyler Reif. White flag this time by Brucker looking inside in turn number 1. They're door handle to door handle down the back straightaway. Steve Brucker is going to get a little bump from the Ashton Williams machine. And those three drivers are wheel to wheel. Steve Brucker, Ashton Williams, and Tyler Reif. Podium finish. They were 3 wide coming back to the stripe. How's that for excitement, race fans? So we had to endure a few caution flags just to get to. Oh, we got a skirmish coming back to the line with the 11 car of Tanner Ash getting together. Jeffrey Peterson on the front row. We're looking for the green flag. Green is out. Green and go. '24 TJ Roberts going to the inside of 71 of Colton Ray. That's the battle for fourth. Give fourth back to TJ Roberts. Move Colton Ray to fifth. Trouble in turn 4. The 4 car, Derek Burns around on the speedway. Dave Campoverde had 1 spot to go. That was to the high side. He clipped the left rear of the 4 car and now has pulled into the infield. So Dave Campoverde really nowhere to go. We'll race under the green flag off of corner number 4. Green is in the air. Green and go at the Bullring. Jaron Giannini gets a nice jump on the 51 car of Jeffrey Peterson. 24 car of TJ Roberts will drop into the 3rd spot with a victory in main event number 1. Victory to Jaron Giannini. Looking for a clean start in corner number 4. Green is out. Green and go. Wyatt Lane and Peyton Harbison dueling down the back straightaway, headed for turn number 3. Wyatt Lane has the advantage. Peyton Harbison rides in the tire tracks of the 21 car, maybe half a lane higher. 9 laps on the scoreboard in this 12-lap feature for these Bandolero cars. For the Bandolero cars, and coming up off of corner number 4, checkered flag for Wyatt Lane. Peyton Harbison second, and the 56 of James Trimmer third. Stephen Irvine on the front row coming up off the corner. Green is out. Green and go. Nostalgia Street Rod Outlaw Factory Stop. Yeah, we used to call these bombers back in the day, but Nostalgia Street Rods is the signature sponsor of this series of competitors. A little bumping and banging going on for 4th place. Jacob Cortero down on the inside. Pete Meyer up on the high side. Cortero. Oh, trouble in turn number 3. Jacob Cortero around on the speedway. The 96 Pete Meyer went low, and they made contact with the left rear of the 43 car. 43 coming down the racetrack. Looks like Nick Lauterbach has deployed the dry ice smoke screen. Yeah, it's oil. He burning oil. Track safety is going to roll on over and check the, you got an oil fire. Racing off of corner number 4, Mike Miller leading the way. Anthony Mann, Pete Meyer working his way, trying to get past the 43 of Jacob Cortero. Jacob Cortero Jacob Cortero getting together with the 11 of Rob P. Pace car dives into the infield. Will race under the green flag off of corner number 4. 19 laps to go. 19 laps of green flag racing. Green is out. Green and go. Back to racing. Nostalgia, Street Rod, Outlaw, Factory Stocks. Checkered flag flies for Mike Miller. Yeah, the 00 Anthony Mann did not answer the bell. So it'll be 4 laps or 4 cars going 25 laps in the super stock division. Kyle Jacks leaves the inside lane open to turn number 1. Don Geary's right there, can't seem to complete the pass. They're still door handle to door handle headed to turn 3 and 4. Things are going to tighten up coming up off the corner. Give Don Geary the lead at the stripe. Don Geary coming up off of corner number 4. Looking at double checkered flags for the winner. The 45 of Don Geary takes the win. The 4 Kyle Jacks is second. The 29 Sam Jacks second. 41 Kyle Jacks third. Green is out. Green and go. Hound Dog is hunting. Points leader Doug Ham looking inside of the 6 of Brian Williams, heading to turn number 3. The 29 car is coming with him. Hound Dog Doug Ham took off 2023 to be more present for his family. His daughters were involved in dance competition, still are, but dad needed to hang out with them a little bit more, and he did so in 2023. Came out for a couple of things, and now Kyle Jacks going back to work as those two swap the 3rd spot once again. Brian Williams, little outside inside move. Kyle Jacks kind of slams the door on him now on the back straightaway. White flag for Doug Ham. Sam Jacks, Kyle Jacks still the top 3. Brian and Ben Williams 4 and 5 on the speedway. But coming up off the corner, double checkered flags and a night to remember. The Hound Dog is hunting. And he earns a victory here tonight at the Bullring. 3, 2, 1. Green flag here in the skid plate division. Six laps on the scoreboard. Halfway home for skid plates. Greg Lee back to second. Here tonight, the white flag has been displayed to the field. This is the battle for the win in turns 3 and 4. Jeff Daly looking inside of Greg Lee as they come back to the stripe. What a finish. The 17 machine of Jeff Daly goes across the stripe backwards.
Jeff Daly back in victory lane again. All right, Jeff. Not how you drew it up, but you'll take it, buddy. Great drive.
Johnny Spilatro setting the pace in the 77 car. alongside Steve Anderson in the 32. Green is out, green and go. Johnny Spilotro leads lap number 1 in this 38-lap feature. Get to 4th position on the speedway. Up front, the 51 looking inside of Johnny Spilotro. That is for the lead. Peterson, who won the 100-lap Cars Tour main event here a week ago tonight. Generally very hard to beat once you give him a lead. Jeffrey Peterson looking very smooth here with now 10 laps to go. 10 laps to go in this second main event. Jeffrey Peterson working his way open racetrack through turns 3 and 4. And coming up off the corner, checkered flag flies 2 weeks in a row. Jeff Peterson's going to win here at the Bullring at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Thank you. We'll see you on Wednesday, July the 3rd. God bless each and every one of you. We'll see you back here at the Bullring. Good night, everyone.